Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Vanessa Arobo. You can call me Van for short. I am 32 years old, single. I have one brother and I am the youngest. My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 58 kilograms. I am college undergraduate, took up Bachelor in Science in Business Administration. I have working experience in Philippines for 3 years and I also worked in Saudi Arabia for 5 years in one employer. I can take care baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, cooking Filipino foods and some Arabic foods. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods and I can follow recipe given by my employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow instructions. Thank you and have a nice day.